Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip by Go, and today you're going to learn how to put together these really simple Easter gift bags for toddlers or preschoolers or any kids. All the materials here are, most of them anyways, I got at Target. So this is going to show you all of the things you could get at Target to make really easy little Easter baskets. So let me show you a couple things I made. The thing to keep in mind here is that I was putting together both cards to send relatives, my kiddo, he's a toddler, his Easter basket. So there's things like this Blippi Easter gift. It's a little car. And then I was also putting together the eggs for our own little Easter egg hunt in our house. And then the other items you see here, which are the ones you're going to mostly see me putting together, are these toddler gift bags. So you could use this for your own inspiration for making little gifts to give to other preschool kids. So all I did was I went into Target and I shopped in both the seasonal department and which had all the Easter stuff, and then I also shopped in the gift area where they have the gift bags because I found some cute items like these little balls. They light up when the kids bounce them and they're fun to hold because they have little plastic spikes. And so I found those in the gift department. They were under gift, I forget what those things are called when you give someone little gifts at the end. I'm sure it'll come back to me. I haven't been to birthdays in a while because we've been in quarantine. So anyways, also in the gift aisle, I found this awesome little pack of bags. So I'm making 10 of them here. And then I had this really pretty wrapping paper. I think it actually was from Target a few years ago, but I usually use this gift wrap paper for wrapping gifts. Baby shower gifts are really pretty in it, but I had just a little bit left in the roll, so that's what I'm making the little name tags out of because, you know, the kids are just going to rip them apart. They aren't sentimentally going to hold on to this little tag, so I just thought just make it out of what I already had. And I did have the stash of fun little scissors, so I used the scissors to make a cute little design, and I think they came out really cute. I should use it for other things. So anyways, I cut all the tags and I was just preparing the materials from the beginning. So I thought the toddlers, I thought it would be nice to give it to them to pass out, but I'm going to put them in the bags with stapled little tags on it saying who they're from, and I'm not going to worry about writing the kids' names on it anyway. So let me show you how I put together these cute little gift bags for the toddler class. And I only had a half an hour to put these 10 bags together. I knew that my kiddo would be out of the house for 30 minutes, so I was really pressed on time. So what I did first is I just set up my station. So I put out the paper bags and I put out the little tags, and I only wrote on the bottom half of the tags because the tags are actually going to be folded over and then stapled onto the bag. So I just wrote Happy Easter in the name and set them aside. So what you'll see here is that I prepped the bag. So the preschool class Easter gifts included light up balls, Kit Kat candies. I only put one Kit Kat candy, which I put in an Easter egg because they're probably getting so much candy anyways. I figured the parents might like having toys for them to burn some energy with. So Kit Kat candies, Easter eggs, some stickers, and there was stuff like the bag, and I also got the wrapping paper, which was kind of like the pink and purple Eastery theme. Though like almost every color is Easter appropriate, just lots of colors, the spring colors. So anyways, let me show you what I put in these toddler Easter bags. And one tip I have for when you're shopping is to make sure you're getting the same amount of everything. So it's kind of easier to choose one of each category. So like one Easter egg per person, so then I need 10. One ball per person, so then I need 10. One lollipop, one sticker sheet, one tissue paper, one bag. So it was just easier to think one of everything instead of, for me, just having like a random number of things. And actually, like the Kit Kats I did have left over. So you'll see I saved Kit Kats and extra lollipops and balls and things to put in my own toddler kids Easter basket. But otherwise, these gifts are going home with his friends. So into each bag, there was one bag, and then into each bag went the one piece of tissue paper. And then I added a sticker sheet, and I just kind of worked around a circle. So I added one sticker sheet, I added one ball, I love them. They light up. It's going to be fun when they discover them. 1 Easter egg that has a Kit Kat in it. 1 Tootsie Pop. And then what I decided to do is I wanted to completely seal these bags so they could open them at home. So I shoved all of the tissue paper in there, and then I closed it, and then I used a stapler and I folded over the gift tag that I made out of the wrapping paper scraps that I had and stapled it together. So these are going to be easier to store in the hall closet until it's time to send home the preschoolers with their Easter bag gifts. I think it'll be fun for them to get, which will be on a Friday this year. So anyways, I'll just take you through making the rest of these, and then I'll show you what it all looked like at the end. Oh, but before I forget, let me just show you the cute things that I found for my own kiddos' Easter basket. They have these really cute Easter baskets that are, you know, the regular basket material. They're woven, and then the inside already has this lining to them, and it has cute little spring Easter designs with a tractor and Easter bunny, and it has little bows on the end. It's really cute, and it's really deep, so it can hold a bunch of things. So in it, I put the rest of the tissue paper that I had, and then I like to take the tags off of things and take the boxes off of things, because once the toddler sees them, he wants to get to playing with them right away, and then I'm in there trying to use like scissors, and it's just like an accident waiting to happen. So I just take all the tags off the things. I got him this cute little plush bunny, this so cute little Easter gift Blippi toy. I did not even know that they sold Blippi products at Target, but our kiddo loves watching Blippi. So then I got him Peeps. Fun fact, you could microwave Peeps. They kind of blow up, so you need to look at them, but it's a really funny thing to do if you get tired of eating Peeps. And then you'll see that I had some of those extra balls and toys, and I also threw some extra Kit Kats in there, but I saved some in a stash for us to have later, so I can kind of ration them out, because it'll just be like candy all day for days until it's gone around here. So these are the cute little gift bags ready to go. They're easy to fit inside the Target bag where I got all the supplies. And then you just see some of the extra stuff that I had to put in my own kiddo's Easter basket. And so I hope that this has inspired you to just throw together a little gift. It was really simple to get all these items at Target. You get them, you know, wherever you shop, and I love the packaging of them because it just makes it so easy that all the gifts aren't going to fall out. So off into the bag they go, and then they're ready for giving the Easter gifts for preschoolers, toddlers, kids, whoever it is you're giving them to. So cute, huh? I just love that wrapping paper looked so good. That was pretty much the best happy accident I had here. So here we go, ready to go off to school for the classmates' Easter gifts. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I do post a lot of food and recipe videos here at Sip Bite Go, but you know, I'm an artist at heart. I love all the crafty stuff, so I can't wait to share more things like this with you here at Sip Bite Go. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube for more fun things to do and delicious food to make. Until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!